Milwaukee tool MX Fuel plate compactor, 20-inch plate compactor. It hits harder, travels fastest. There's no gas headaches, it's all battery. Greater control, we have all of the UI right up on the handlebar right here. It's the first single direction plate compactor that actually has a reverse feature. And we get 30 minutes of runtime and 4,500 square feet, which is about a basketball court on just one battery. We also have a folding handle feature for easy and compact storage. You can hook and strap it, carry it around a job site on like a mini excavator without that handle swinging around causing safety issues.